Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to share a fantastic 10-minute morning stretch routine that will leave you feeling energized and ready to tackle your day. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's work on stretching out those shoulders. Reach for the sky and then reach towards the ground, feeling a nice stretch in your upper back muscles. Next up, we're going to stretch out your chest and pecs. Place your arms behind you, interlocking your fingers and gently pulling your arms back for a deep stretch. Now, let's focus on some glute stretches. Bring your ankle over to the opposite knee, keeping both feet planted on the ground. Switch sides for an even stretch. You can even take it a step further by reaching for the sky with one arm. Trust me, it really helps. Moving on to the hips, one of my personal favorites. Lift your leg up towards the sky and then cross it over for a nice hip twist. Switch sides to really feel the release in your hips. Last but not least, let's work on those quads. Bring one ankle up towards your glute for a quad stretch, making sure not to strain too much. Just feel the gentle pull in the front of your leg. Switch sides for a balanced stretch. And there you have it, folks. In just 10 minutes, you'll be fully stretched out and ready to conquer your day ahead. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Stay fit and healthy, everyone.